Today, let's unbox and review Realme Buds Q. It's the normal Realme box with orange accent. At the front, we can see the Buds Q and the Realme branding. At the back side, we have some features and other details. We have some Realme branding on both the sides of the box. It is one of the affordable true wireless earphone Realme has launched. It has some great features to it, which I will cover in a minute. Now, let's go with the unboxing. This device was launched about 6 months ago and still it's better value for money, under 2000 rupees. So here's the review for it. Unboxing the box, we get another box, but it's a bit frustrating to open these types of boxes. And here's the Realme Buds Q with the charging case. Let's peel off the sticker so that you get a closer look at the charging case. Let's keep it aside and open the other box. Inside this box, we get the user manual, and if we dig deeper, we also get a micro USB charging cable with an orange accent. Yeah, Realme always goes with an orange accent. There is also a set of extra ear tips inside the box. Now let's open the charging case for the first time. Here we go, the Realme Buds Q. With its small, lightweight body designed by Jose Levy, it is one of the best looking earphones you can buy right now. Yeah, there are a lot of stickers to peel off. The red color sticker is to restrict the earphone touching the charging point. I really love the pebble-like design with no sharp edges. It is also so lightweight that it is just 3.6 grams. It is even lighter than a sheet of paper. Buds Q come with a 10mm driver. What it actually means is that it is the diameter of the speaker inside the earphone. The bigger the diameter, better would be the bass and quality. It has instant connect so that you don't have to connect each time you take out the bud. Here we go with the controls. Realme Buds comes with a sensitive touch control. Double tapping on the buds, play or pause the music. It is also used to take call. Triple tapping the sensitive area skips to the next song. Pressing and holding any side ends the call. Holding both the earphone together for 3 seconds, activate gaming mode for low latency gaming so that you will never miss your enemy's footstep. One of the best features of this Realme Buds Q is that it is IPX4 water resistant, so that you don't have to worry about the buds being damaged by sweat or rain. Realme has an app for the Buds Q. The app is known as Realme Link and helps us to change the controls of the buds. For example, we can add shortcut for the button to initiate Google Assistant. It also shows us how much charge each earphone has. The only disadvantage I saw on these buds is that it comes with a normal micro USB cable. Except that, everything is just on point. I hope this video was informative and helpful. If you like my videos, thumbs up, and if you love it, subscribe. Keep supporting.